Hey, hello everyone, this is Akash. Today I will show you how you can make a 2-in-1 circuit. By using this circuit you can control the speed of any DC motor. Also you can control the brightness of any LED. Now open glcpcb.com. Here you can see the website provides you 2 layer for $2 per 10 pieces, 4 layer for $15 per 10 pieces and 6 layer for $74 per 10 pieces. Okay, now I choose it to 2 layer for $2 per 10 pieces. Now upload your Gerber file. Now you can choose your quantity. Now here you can select your PCB color according to your choice, but the price will be different. Now save to cart. Now check out securely. Now add your shipping method and shipping address and pay through PayPal or credit card or debit card. IC355, 8-pin IC base, MJE3055 NPN power transistor. You can use any NPN power transistor. Also you can use any N-channel MOSFET. A 100K preset. You can use a 100K potentiometer. 2 1 kilo ohm resistors, a 220 microfarad capacitor, 2103 PF, a small heatsink, 2 1N4007 diode. Put all the components to the PCB and solder it. After putting all the components, it will be like this. Here P1 is the output load and P2 is the input voltage. If you want to control the motor speed, put a dart across the motor. This will be your negative terminal and this will be your positive terminal. This is coming from your circuit trigger and this is your positive power supply. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.